Want to turn your long videos into 10 viral shorts with just one single click? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Quso.ai to completely automate your short-form content in 2026. If you're a creator, you already know how exhausting it is to manually chop up long videos, write captions, and post them across TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Quso.ai is designed to solve exactly that. It's an AI-powered video clipping tool that takes your long-form content and automatically finds the most engaging moments. The AI actually scores these moments based on a virality rating, so you know which clips have the best chance of performing well. Once the AI grabs your clips, it generates word-level animated captions in over 50 different languages and automatically removes those annoying filler words like and You also get access to a text-based video editor, which means you can edit your video simply by editing the transcribed text. Plus, you can lock in your brand's fonts, colors, and logos using their Brand Kit feature, ensuring all your clips look consistent. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Quso.ai is incredibly easy to use. It requires zero editing skills, and it's completely free to start with no credit card required. It also acts as a one-stop social media manager, letting you plan, schedule, and auto-publish your clips to multiple platforms directly from their built-in calendar. As for the cons, because this is a newer tool, we don't have a lot of independent third-party user reviews to pull from yet. While their website mentions they are trusted by over 4 million creators, it's always a good idea to test the AI's clipping accuracy yourself to see if it matches your specific style. Overall, if you want to save hours of editing time and turn one video into weeks of content, Quso.ai is absolutely worth checking out. Head over to Quso.ai to try it for free today. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tools, and let me know in the comments how many clips Quso generated for you.